Guys, look at that guy. He's drinking water from this river. Halafu anaosha mbwa zake huko. Akunywe, aoshe mbwa. We have gone up the hill just a little. And this is the place. Lake Naivasha is on the other side. We shall be taking you guys there very soon. Look at the views. So we have climbed up this hill kidogo. We want to see this place. I want to explore this place a little bit more. There's a lot of people who are building around this place. A lot of land is being sold. People around this place seem like they work as a community. This is a community tank. And it was
you see, this is community tank. Probably they would pump water from
the river. Oh.
This place, yeah.
Oh, for everybody to use. Oh. We won't be going straight up. Looks like it's going to rain in a few. So we want to explore this side. And then probably get to the main road. Main road. Kwa barabara huko. Kweli. Huku hii itatutokeza kwa huko. Kwa barabara, the main road. And then where is it? Oh. That's the view. Can it be seen on the phone? Hebu kucha wa point here from here. See yon? Oh, I can see it. How? That's Mount Longonot. It's a volcanic mountain. The last time it erupted was? I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll write it on the screen. Or you can do your own research. So these guys over here, for those guys who grew in the villages, this is very soft. It can be used to wipe your... After you have done number 2 in the toilet, you can use this to wipe yourself, yeah? Very, very soft. This is the natural tissue. You don't need to buy tissue if you're in the village. You are sorted. If you have to do it in the forest, you have tissue just around. As we continue with our journey to Norway. Tutashuka. Guys, we are in crossroads here. We don't even know which road to take. Hii inaenda kwa mto direct. Halafu utavukia wapi? So it's either use this one or this one. So we will go with the one that everybody uses. Guys, these dogs have eaten, they have hunted and caught a rabbit. Chunga. Ndomo imejaa damu.
Wanafanya aje? Meno zake bado hazijakauka. Kwanza zinarambishwa tena ziende zikatafute.
Oh. Ni training ama?
Training.
Yeah? Hata haka kadogo. Yeah? Oh, hizo ni zile za
Gaigo. zine hikio.
Sina
Kwa
kwanga.
hiyo tulikuwa tunakota mali nyumbani hapo kwa gate. Mkoiko.
Hizi ni zile ziko kwa maina.
Hizo za mkoiko. Mkoiko ni tamu. Sasa jiko nini tunakatanga?
Sasa unakula tu wewe.
Hizi onekende muno.
Kanaosha.
Si kuoza ni cook.
Kanaonja zambarau haijaiva ama ingozi.
Ngolingani.
Ingozi lenga kavu. Wati ingozi. Fani ingozi. Eti ngavu.
Ingozi nendwe.
Zambarau. This is the meat they are using to train the dogs. Na huku kuna mbwa zinaweza achilia. Acha tuharakishe. Guys, we are so lost. We don't know where we are. We are currently checking Google Maps and it started to rain. Okay. So we want to check where we are and then see how we can get back home. Otherwise, we have walked. Unajua kwa weather ikuwa hivi, you can walk for a long distance without realizing it. So it's been a great walk, but now we are lost. Lost in the middle of nowhere. What, guys? That's already tunanyeshewa. Guys, we are approaching the town. This is somebody's home. Very nice gate. Love it. Yeah. How far are we from the town? Karibu. Let's meet in town. This is a church, probably Catholic church. Ni gani? AIC. Kama ile.
African Inland.
Wametoka huko kakuja huko. Oh.
Then kuna primary school. Then kuna sokoni supermarket.
There's a There's a salon. That's how you know you're approaching a town. Karate. Oh. And it's raining, you guys. We are being rained on. This church is huge. Na iko Naivasha. Iko Ushago. Kuna Ushago. Means that the church is doing well in Kenya. They can afford to build such a big church in a village. That's the church big. Vibe killer. There's somebody's home. Hii ni solar. This one has a solar over here. Solar panels. And a pump na hiyo solar. This is another communal project. Proposed Karate Poho solar panel installation. County of Kiambu. Oh, Nakuru. Huh. This community is very active. Hii ni shule. This is Karate Primary School. Very far. Na kuna watoto wanatoka huko. Wanakuja shule huko. This is somebody's nice home. This is the school. Ni vizuri. Tutanyeshewa tukue wet. Si unataka hivi? Wewe.
Center.
Go. Oh, wow. Guys, from the far end you can see Lake Naivasha and the flower farms on the horizon, yeah? There's a very nice view from here. Actually, mashamba na huku zinakuwa expensive because of the view. Sindio? That's like Naivasha. This is Karate Primary School. There's a health center just across. When the kids get sick in school, they are brought to this health center. Gilgil. Wah! Imagine tumefika kwa barabara. That's the lake. What? Si huku ni pali sana? Umenitembeza kunitembeza hivyo.
Unakumbuka nikikwambia twende paka barabara, tuchukue gari twende Karate Town. Tukajione yako katao.
Kumbe tutatembea.
Tuko kama.
Oh, hii ni secondary. So si primary.
Primary sipo nchi.
We have finally arrived in the small town. The good thing about having somebody who knows maps. By the way, mimi niko na wewe siogopangi kitu.
Mimi hata kwenu nikuonyesha.
Sidio? That is the benefit, Watu wa GIS wanachuanga ma maps. Huwezi potea. Tutachukua pikipiki kurudi city. Now this is the primary school. Wow, imagine. We have walked all that distance to see this small town. Tunaonyesha mtaa sasa. Tushuke na hiyo barabara. Sasa when we are going back we'll use this road. Guys, this is the town. Karate. There's a supermarket. You go up your supermarket.
No. No, sokoni.
It's raining over here and we're being rained on. But we are going back home now. Still very, very far. By the time we get home, you guys will be soaking wet. Good thing I'd carried my head scarf, so I'm not rained on the head. Acha tunyeshe. Unaona kanaenda kakiisha. Kana kucha kubwa. Then inatulia. Then tunanyeshewa tena. Hivyo tu. Hii ndio barabara tungekuja nayo. Let's see if we can cross from here, you guys. This is the same river that we had shown you from the other side. Mimi siwezi vukia huko.
Ninakwambia.
Fadhali tu niende huko juu. Wewe hapana.
Ana maboda huko.
Sasa kuvuka hapo unaweza kanyanga wapi? Labda huko. Alafu, can you panda from the other side? Then aniosio. What? Ama nivukie hapa. Huku kuna mawe poa aje. Unaweza vukia hapa sweetie. Si ndio? Tuvukie hapa. Turudi kwa barabara. Kuja. Naona ka hapana. Guys, I'm just going to keep it safe and go back to the road. Ne. Narudi hapa. Acha tu nikuwe safe. Wewe unavukia hapa? Acha niende tu. Naenda huko juu. Guys, one thing about me, I would rather be safe than sorry. Mimi si wes. Acha nirudi tu kwa barabara. I don't want to risk it and fall into the water. I don't have any changing clothes on the road. I don't want to be wet and get cold. No. I need to be very fast. Okay, kuna place nice. Kanyanga. Look at him living his life in the river.